Hello YouTube, WJ's Handy Dad here. Today, this is a 2-week update on our comparison between the sealant and the ceramic coating. So I was going to wash this and we'll see what it's looking like. To the naked eye, both sides look like they're beaten up pretty well. So far it looks like both of them are doing pretty well. They've been exposed to a lot of sunlight, and we actually had some rain, believe it or not, so we've been exposed to that. I'd say both sides are beaten up pretty well. The ceramic side may be slightly ahead right now. So maybe it will fool me, because I really thought that it was going to wear off. I don't think it held up on the glass very well. So I'll talk about the glass. It's already put Rain-X and wax back on it, because it wasn't really helping much when you're driving in the rain. So it's a little deceiving since it said it's got Rain-X and wax on it. Up, but the ceramic did not last on the glass, I didn't think. So, but it looks like it's holding up pretty well on the hood. So we'll see. We'll do this again in another 2 weeks and see if it is still beaten up the same. So we'll see you then. Thanks for watching.